What's going on? I've been doing Amazon FBA and I've also been doing affiliate marketing pretty successfully now for quite a long time. Probably a year and a half, 2 years, 3 years, I can't remember. It's been around about 2 years since we've been doing them both properly, I would say, but about 3 years in total. Ish. So yeah, I thought it would be good for me to explain the difference, what's better, what makes you more money, what's the potential of either of them, Amazon FBA or affiliate marketing. If you're looking at starting an online business and you're thinking about one of these two, I think I'd be quite a good person to talk about this because I've been earning a fairly sizable income from both of them for quite a long time now. Let me explain. So, first of all, I think it's important to look at the goals that you've got. Okay, so Amazon FBA on a one hand, it's like a real business, like it's got stock. Depending on how you want to do it, if you want to be a reseller or if you want to start your own brand, it's quite a big category. Amazon FBA. You can either do reselling, you can do reselling with online arbitrage where you buy stuff and resell it, or you can do retail arbitrage where you go into shops and you resell that, or you can start a brand. You can do private label. You can import your products. It's quite a big thing, but what's important to know is that it's quite complex. You've got to start a proper company if you want to do it seriously. You're probably going to have to employ virtual assistants and stuff like that, but the scale of it, it's got an unlimited scalability really, especially if you're going down the brand route, the private label route. On the other side over here, we've got affiliate marketing. Let me just give you a summary over here. So you're not going to get any traction with affiliate marketing unless you've got a big audience. And when I say a big audience, look, I mean if you want to get a real scale. So with online Amazon, obviously you need to build that up. You're using the credibility of Amazon to get your sales. You're ranking them, or you're going on listings that are already ranked. Obviously, there's challenges you've got to deal with, but you don't need a big audience. If you want to make big income, like big money with affiliate marketing, you either need a big audience or you need a very, very focused audience that are buying a sort of a high ticket item from your affiliate marketing. So I earn a lot more money from Amazon than I do with affiliate marketing. 100%. I mean, I've been earning hundreds. Some months I'll earn, over 1,000 from affiliate marketing. But that's only if I've got certain sales, if that makes sense, from certain providers. I have earned over £1,000 consistently on some months, but a lot of the time it's just hundreds. It's in the hundreds, not the thousands that I earn from affiliate marketing here. And I've only got a small channel, I've only got a small Facebook group, etc. But because it's quite focused, because I've got some good affiliate partners, because a lot of it is just regular each month, so it's building on top of each other. It's not mind-blowing money, but it's consistent. It can be consistent. So with affiliate marketing, as I say, if it's possible, but I would say that unless you've got a big audience, it takes a long time to build, and it's not big money really. As I say, it can be, and I'm going to keep building it, and in 10 years' time, I might be earning a lot of money from it. But right now, as I say, it's not. I've got to be honest, like with affiliate marketing, there's other ways of doing it which I don't do as well. Like you can do webinars and stuff and upsells on there. You can hit it really, really hard, upselling loads and loads, and on TikTok and YouTube. It's just not my style. I don't do loads of upsells saying buy this now and I'll give you this bonus, this bonus, this bonus. Obviously, with affiliate marketing, that's not my world, so I can't talk about that. Obviously, you can. But for the average Joe, you're not going to be doing that. It's just going to be an extra bit of pocket money. It's going to be an extra bit of money. And if that's all you want, then hey, go for it. Affiliate marketing might be for you because it's very passive. And look, there's no such thing as passive income, I agree, but it's very passive compared to Amazon. Like I don't hardly have to do anything for this. Once you've got the conversion, it's pretty good. There's some bigger ticket stuff that I work on that takes more input because you've got to get that conversion, you've got to get that sales sort of thing. But generally, it's pretty passive. Amazon, on the other side, look, that's not passive. That's far from passive. I'm actively having to launch new products. I'm actively having to source products. I've got virtual assistants sourcing products and stuff. But the income potential, the amount that I earn, I've been earning more than £2,000 generally on an average month net profit from Amazon for about a year and a half now, ish. But in some months a lot more. Last month we're going to do 6, 7. This month we're in now 6, 7, 8,000 net profit probably. I can't say exactly, but we're in Q4 probably 6, 7. I don't know, net profit, and gross profit's probably about 10. Next month could be anything. Could be 15 to 20 to 30,000 net profit. But that's because it's Q4, etc., etc. But on a good month we can earn. This has taken me years to build up, by the way, everyone. We could earn on average £2,000, £3,000, £4,000 net profit. But once again, that's taken a lot of cost up front. It's taken a lot of experience to build up front, and a lot of contacts, and a lot of plucking away and plucking away and plucking away. Okay, so it's a real business, but it's also got real growth, real money earning opportunity here. And we're not done with this. I want to get this to a 7-figure brand, 7-figure company, sorry, with our online arbitrage and brand building stuff. So look, I wanted to compare them both. If I had to tell you which one to do, it depends on your certain situation. Affiliate marketing is an extremely slow burner, but the risk on it is very low. There's no upfront cost unless you have to buy cameras and stuff, which you don't need to. You can do it with your smartphone. There's no upfront cost there, you know. But what are you going to talk about? You need a niche to talk about, and you don't have to be credible for a niche. As in, like, if you want to talk about makeup, you don't have to be a makeup artist. You can just talk about makeup if you love it. If you want to talk about travel and you love travel and you've been somewhere, you're credible. If you want to talk about Amazon, you kind of need to have at least started selling on Amazon. If you want to tell people how to make money on Amazon, how to earn over £1,000 on Amazon, you need to earn or have earned over £1,000 on Amazon. You see what I mean? You've got to be credible, but as long as you can be credible, or you don't have to be, you can start making money as quickly as you can get that sale. But understand it's going to be a slow burner, because unless you're willing to do the hard upsells.
What's going on? Quick introduction here, just to introduce my new sponsor. So I'm now sponsored by Prepared For You. I've been using this prep center for a fair few months now, and they've been fantastic. Okay, if you are interested in trying them out, I've got a link below. Click on the link below, the Prepared For You link, and you can get £50 off your first month with them. Type in Hayden into the coupon code when you're signing up to your desired package, and you can get £50 off. As I say, really recommend them. I've enjoyed their service, and yeah, very efficient, very communicational, and I will see you in the next video. Let's dive in.
It's going to be a slow burner because you've got to build that audience. But I would say it's a great thing to do on the side. With Amazon, you either need to put a lot of experience into it. No, you need to put a lot of experience into it, a lot of time into it, money into it, not loads of money, but you need to start with something. And then you need to just keep reinvesting that stock. Not only reinvesting that stock, but learning more and more and more and more and more. 2 years ago, I knew nothing what I know now about Amazon. A year ago, I was nowhere near as good a seller on Amazon, or just an e-commerce guy, e-commerce business. My business was nowhere near where it is now. And in a year's time, it will be in a different level to where it is now. You go in stages, and it's a real business. So it depends the amount of commitment you're going to put in. It depends the amount of money, time, effort you're going to put into it, and your goals, whether I would do affiliate marketing or Amazon FBA. I hope that video's helped. Make sure you like and subscribe and share it with anyone that is interested. Let me know in the comments below if you have started either of these and if you're thinking about doing them in 2023. I'll see you in the next video.